My name's Tom Penney and I come from Acle.
Do the break beat.
I'm gonna get my Quillo. I'm gonna get my Quillo and I'm gonna do some cartwheels that are very impressive. Quillo, pillow, quilt, pillow. A gnome. It's been everywhere. From Bug Jam to Big Bang, from... What's the other one? Big Bang! Yeah, Big Bang. I've lost my gnome. I'd say this gnome is a great gnome. Well, it's a long story. And I don't know it. There's not a lot of gnomes out there that can actually say that they're up to the potential that he has.
He's got like little, look, Bug Jam, Whitenoise. He's got where he fell over and stuff, you know.
Yeah. I'm gonna cartwheel one-handed with him in my arms. His uncle was called David as well. Yeah.
Never losing track of these random raps, stand hand in the back doors.